Everyone, welcome to social studies class. In previous classes we learnt about the lesson locating places, about latitudes and longitudes, grid, yes, axis, poles. Now this is the time for classwork. Take your classwork notebooks, page number 197, question number D, bit number D. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. If possible, try to finish the classwork. Finish your classwork along with me. Okay. Question number 1, define the following. Question number 1, bit number D. Question number 1, define the following. It means we should write the definition of given below. Okay. First, what is first one? Axis. First one, axis. Second one, grid. Second one, grid. Third one, prime meridian. Fourth one, international dateline. Fourth one, international dateline. Fifth one, lines of longitude and latitude. Lines of longitude and latitude. Okay, latitude. These are the topics. We should give a definition for this. Okay. First one, axis. First one, axis. Make a heading, side heading. Axis. To get answer for axis, page number 193. In this paragraph, in second paragraph, 1, 2, 3, third line, full stop after, an axis is an imaginary line. An axis is an imaginary line. Imaginary line on which the earth rotates. On which earth rotates. On which earth rotates. So axis finished. Next, grid. Second one, grid. Make side heading grid. To get answer for this, page number 195, there is a heading grid. Yes, first line and second line up to full stop. The parallels of latitude, the parallels of latitudes and lines of longitude, the parallels of latitude and lines of longitude, lines of longitude form a network on the globe, which is known as a grid, which is known as grid. Yes, if this is a globe, this is equator, these are latitudes, these are longitudes, like this network, yes, like these boxes are called grids. Next, third definition. Grid finished. Prime meridian. Third one, prime meridian. Prime meridian. To get answer for this question, page number 195, top of the page, first line to 3 lines. The meridian of longitude, the meridian of longitude, the meridian of longitude that passes through Greenwich, that passes through Greenwich near London. Greenwich near London. Is taken as 0 longitude. Is taken as 0 longitude. 0 longitude. This line of longitude is called, this line of longitude is called prime meridian. Prime meridian. Yes, the meridian of longitude that passes through Greenwich near London. Where is Greenwich prime meridian is passing through London, is taken as 0 longitude. What is the value of prime meridian? 0. This line of longitude is called prime meridian. Yes. Next, fourth definition. Prime meridian finished. International date line. International date line. Make side heading international date line. Page number same 195. From the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th line after full stop, the meridian of 180 degrees E the meridian of 180 degrees E and 180 degrees W west is the same line, is the same line and is called the international dateline, is called the international dateline. Okay, what is international dateline? The meridian 180 degrees east and 180 degrees west is the same line and is called the international dateline. Next, definition 5. Definition 4 finished. Definition 5. Lines of longitude and latitude. Lines of longitude and latitude. Fifth one. First, make side heading. Longitude. Lines of longitude. Page number 194. There is longitude heading. The imaginary lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole. The imaginary lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole, joining the North Pole and South Pole are called the lines of longitudes. Lines of longitude are the meridians of longitudes. Lines of longitudes are meridians of longitude, same. Next, side heading in fifth abbreviation, latitude. Latitude is the next side heading. What are latitudes? Lines of latitude. Page number same 194. There is latitude heading, right? In that paragraph, last two lines, the imaginary lines, these are also imaginary lines. The imaginary lines drawn parallel to the equator. Drawn parallel to the equator are known as parallel of latitudes, are known as parallels of parallels of latitude, parallels of latitude. Okay, longitudes, imaginary lines joining the north and south pole. If this is globe, okay, these are the, this is north pole, south pole, right, joining the north and south pole. Latitude, imaginary lines drawn parallel to the equator. This is globe, equator. Parallel means equal. These are the parallels of latitudes, parallels of latitudes. Okay, next let us move to question number 2. Question number 2. How many lines of latitudes and how many lines of latitudes and longitudes are there on the earth surface? Question number 2. How many latitudes are there? 180 latitudes. Exclude the equator. And how many longitudes are there? 360. 360 longitudes are there. Just let us write the same. First, question number 2. How many lines of latitudes and longitudes? Lines of latitudes, lines of latitude and longitude. Longitude are there on the earth surface, are there on the earth's surface. Okay, let us write the answer. There are 180 lines of latitude, and 360 lines of longitude on the earth's surface. There are 180 lines of latitude and 360 lines of longitude on the earth's surface. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. Explain in brief the fourth hemispheres of the earth. Explain in brief the four hemispheres of the earth. The four hemispheres of the earth. What is the third question? Explain in brief the four hemispheres of the earth. Answer. How many hemispheres are there? 4. How can we know? We know in that lesson already, in question also given. Explain in brief the four hemispheres of the earth. It means already given in question 4 hemispheres. What are that four hemisphere? First make side heading northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Make a side heading northern hemisphere. Page number 192. Page number 194. Latitude is there. Heading. In that paragraph, second line, full stop after equator is there, right? Full stop after the part of the earth which lies to the north. The part of the earth. Part of the earth which lies to the north. To the north of the equator. North of the equator is called northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Okay, just to follow this diagram, if this is a globe, which is equator, which is the equator? This is the equator. This is north pole, this is south pole. This side east, this side west, right? So the part of the earth which lies to the north of the equator, this is equator. So this side, all this is called northern hemisphere. All this is called northern hemisphere. Next, southern hemisphere. Second heading, southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Yes, just you can copy all this. Just change the north. The part of the earth which lies to the south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. The part of the earth which lies to the south, of the equator. South of the equator is called southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Okay, in diagram, let us check here. This is the globe. This is equator, north pole, south pole, equator to south side. This is the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. The part of the earth which lies to the south of the equator. This is the equator, right? Equator, south of the equator, this side. This is the southern hemisphere. Next, eastern hemisphere. Next, eastern hemisphere. After that, western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Next, western hemisphere. How many hemispheres are there total? 4. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Make the heading of eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Page number 195. From the top of the page, second paragraph. The area between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. The area between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. 0 degrees and 180 degrees towards the east of the prime meridian. Towards the east of the prime meridian. Prime meridian is known as eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Okay. The area between 0 degrees and 180 degrees towards the east of the prime meridian is known as eastern hemisphere. In diagram, this is a globe. This line is equator. This is the prime meridian which passes through London, Greenwich meridian. This is north pole, this is south pole. This is east side, right? This is west side. Prime meridian 0 degrees. This is 0 degrees. This one 0 degrees, right? 0 degrees to 180 degrees east. All this is called eastern hemisphere. Okay, eastern hemisphere. Okay. Next, western hemisphere. Western hemisphere. Okay. We have 4 hemisphere, but we need to learn only 2 hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere, another one is eastern hemisphere. Already we have here 2 hemispheres. Just observe yourself. In the place of north, just write south. It is the abbreviation for southern hemisphere. Yes, the part of the earth which is lies to the north of the equator is called northern hemisphere. The part of the earth which lies to the just south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. For these two, only north and south is the just difference. Same in this matter also, same abbreviation, but east. Okay, towards the east here, eastern hemisphere, towards the west, western hemisphere. Same, the area here also, the area between, yes, between 0 degrees and 180 degrees and 180 degrees towards, yes, up to here, same, right, towards here. The what is here? East, but here western hemisphere, so we write west. Just simple, remaining same. Of the prime meridian, of the prime meridian, prime meridian is known as here eastern hemisphere, here western hemisphere, western hemisphere, western hemisphere. Okay, just understand the matter and learn well. Okay, up to this question number 3, write in your classwork and try to learn. Thank you.